Exploring the HTC U24 Pro. Specs, features, and more. Introduction. In the rapidly evolving world of mobile technology, HTC is set to make a significant mark with the upcoming HTC U24 Pro. With a price tag expected to be around $49,990 in India, this device is poised to compete in the premium segment. Let's dive into the detailed specifications and features that make this smartphone a compelling choice. HTC U24 Pro Quick Specifications. Battery: 4600 mAh. Li-Po battery. Internal memory: 256 GB. CPU: to 63 GHz. Octa-core processor. RAM: 12 GB. OS. Android V14. Design and display. The HTC U24 Pro sports a sleek design with a thickness of 9 mm and a weight of 198.7 g. It features a large 6.8-inch OLED screen with a resolution of 1080x20 for 36 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering a smooth and vibrant viewing experience. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, though the exact version is unspecified. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the HTC U24 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with an octa-core processor clocked to 63 GHz. This setup, along with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, ensures robust performance and ample space for apps, media, and more. The device also includes a dedicated memory card slot for expandable storage. Camera capabilities. The HTC U24 Pro boasts a versatile camera setup, featuring a triple rear camera system. Primary: 50MP with PDAF and noise f1.9. Wide-angle telephoto: 50MP with 2x optical zoom f2.0. Ultra-wide: 8MP with 120 field of view f2.2. The front camera is equally impressive, with a 50MP sensor f2.5. Wide-angle, ensuring high-quality selfies and video calls. Both rear and front cameras support 1080p 30fps FHD video recording. Battery and charging. The device is equipped with a 4600 mAh battery, supporting 60W fast charging, 15W wireless charging, and 5W reverse charging. This ensures that the HTC U24 Pro can be quickly powered up and is ready for long hours of use. Connectivity and extras. The HTC U24 Pro supports a wide range of connectivity options, including 4G, 5G, VoLTE, Bluetooth V5.3, Wi-Fi 6, and USB-C v3.0. It also features an in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and various sensors such as accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. Notably, the device is IP67 rated, providing water and dust resistance. Conclusion. The HTC U24 Pro is a powerhouse packed with features that cater to both performance enthusiasts and multimedia consumers. With its expected competitive pricing and robust specifications, it is set to be a strong contender in the premium smartphone market. Stay tuned for its official launch and